Today 13th of October 2019. Here is a bridge linking from you can see anyways KLCC, okay, linking to Kampung Baru. Very interesting because this bridge is named after P. Ramlee's wife Saloma. Okay, yeah, here is this Saloma bridge. Just maybe tap in here a bit, leads to Kampung Baru, and that is our customer Ahmad Zaki with the Uda Kampung Baru project, which consists of 40 stories, 2 blocks. The front, this back portion here is the condominium. Yeah, condominium, and the front portion there you can see the this front portion is the office block. So these are 2 blocks of 40 story and considered halfway completion. So yeah, very interesting. This Saloma Bridge, named after P. Ramlee's wife. And we are here on the 14th of October 2019. This Glenn Lim from NetsTarget Marketing. You find this video helpful. You can see a close-up of the nets here. And useful, kindly share with your friends. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice day.